The public has heard over time regarding horrific incidents, how much we have been shaken to the core, how heartfelt it has been, how hurt we are, how much we have empathized with the family. Today, the Jamaican public is saying to us, do something. Do something more. We want to feel the presence of Parliament in our lives. And Honourable Minister Grange, we thank you so much for your presentation and indeed the efforts that you have been making to date. Madam Speaker, I rise to call for the amendment to Section 42D of the Criminal Justice Act number 29, 2015, the relevant section 42D. Madam Speaker, it says, where the defendant indicates to the court on the first relevant date that he wishes to plead guilty to the offence, the sentence may be reduced by up to 50%. Where the defendant indicates to the court on the first relevant date that he wishes, but before the trial commences, that he wishes to plead guilty to the offence, the sentence may be reduced by up to 35%. Madam Speaker, even if there is a reduction in the sentence of pleading guilty, the amount given must be reflective of the nature and severity of the offence, Madam Speaker. The law needs to serve as a deterrent. It cannot be that you murder someone, you kill someone, and it's an automatic 50% of the sentence because of a guilty plea. Madam Speaker, I am no legal luminary, but I'm aware that there is plea bargaining legislation that exists that can take into consideration subsequent to the sentencing. But what the Jamaican people, what our people are calling for, and they are within their right, they are calling for the protection of women, of girls, right across. Madam Speaker, we need what the Jamaican people are saying. We need justice. The Jamaicans, they are looking forward to us, government and opposition, to pass good legislation, strong legislation. Madam Speaker, this is about the victim. This is about the victim's family. This is about Jamaica. This is about the people and this government. We will always be right on the side of the people. Madam Speaker, we in this House, we must show that we understand, we empathize, and we care by passing strong legislation. Thank you so much, Madam Speaker.